Exploring idioms, full to bursting. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English idiom, full to bursting. This phrase is a vivid and descriptive way to express something being very full or overloaded. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding such idioms can add color and depth to your English. So, let's explore what this phrase means and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Full to bursting is an idiom that creates a visual image of something being so full that it's almost at the point of breaking or bursting open. It's often used to describe physical objects that are overstuffed, like a bag or a room. But it can also be applied to abstract concepts, like a schedule that's too busy. The key aspect here is the extreme level of fullness. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used. 1. Physical context. My suitcase was full to bursting. I could barely close it. 2. Abstract context. Her mind was full to bursting with ideas for her new book. 3. Humorous context. After the feast, we were all full to bursting and needed a long nap. Notice how the phrase adds emphasis and flair to each sentence, making the expression more vivid and engaging. The idiom, full to bursting, has been in use for centuries. It likely originated from the literal observation of objects filled to their maximum capacity. This expression is a great example of how English speakers often use strong visuals to convey feelings or states. Full to bursting is perfect for situations where you want to emphasize extreme fullness or abundance. It's a versatile phrase, suitable for both casual and semi-formal contexts. However, it's best to avoid it in very formal or academic writing. While using this idiom, make sure not to dilute its impact. Saying something is somewhat full to bursting doesn't make sense, as the phrase inherently implies an extreme. It's either full to bursting or it's not. We hope you enjoyed exploring the idiom, full to bursting, with us. Such phrases can make your English sound more natural and expressive. Remember, learning idioms is not just about knowing their meanings, but also about understanding the context in which they are used. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to add these colorful expressions to your conversations. See you in the next video.